Make me, sir.
Come in. Have your seat. Introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Rahul Modi. I belong to Nohar, which is situated in Rajasthan. I have done my primary education from Haryana, and then I pursued my graduation from Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur, and since then I am preparing for civil services.
Your name is very interesting. Rahul Modi.
Yes, sir.
And that is having an insight. If Mr. Rahul joins Mr. Modi,
Yes, sir.
which portfolio you think he should be offered?
Sir, I think that my name is unique combination, though my name is unique combination, but I inspire from both of these personalities. I aspire to take traits from both of these personalities, and so I think
So, which elements of the personality of Mr. Rahul Gandhi inspires you most?
from Rahul Gandhi, I am, sir, inspiring to be a inspirational youth, to be a youth leader among youth.
Man, he is very tolerant.
Yes, sir. He's very tolerant. Also tolerance.
Okay. Your optional is geography.
Yes, sir.
In geography, we study about growth center, spread effect, backwash effect, hinterland. Who coined all these phrases? And what is growth center?
So, growth centers are those areas where a particular focus for development is taking place, and from there the development is trickling down to other areas. And sorry, sir, I am not able to recall who gave these concepts.
Mr. Rostow also talked about a specific sector where takeoff begins, takeoff of economic progress begins. What term he used for that sector from where takeoff begins?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall.
Okay, let's come to contemporary world trend economy. For last couple of years, 2-3 years, many central banks are buying a huge amount of gold. Central Bank of Germany, Central Bank of Italy, Central Bank of China. Our own central bank has also been buying. Why do you think they are engaged in buying a spree of gold? What's the importance of gold in global trade?
Sir, as far as what I can think, central banks are buying more gold because it's a stable asset, and it has promising future, because because we see, if we see the history of gold, then we see a progressive rise in prices of gold. So it's a promising asset for those banks also. And also because it is tradable in whole world, so I think because of these reasons,
Okay, thank you, Rahul.
So coral bleaching is what cause of what climate change.
Yes, sir.
But coral bleaching is also responsible for causing climate change. How? It's a cause as well as effect. So I want to know how coral bleaching is responsible for further climatic change and sea level change.
Sir, as far as what I can gather from this, that as the coral bleaching is taking place, a cyclic reaction is taking place, because once a biodiversity is lost, and habitat of those biodiversity is getting lost.
Oceans are micro and shrink, you know.
Yes, sir.
And that is because of coral bleaching. So when corals are not going to actually stay in ocean, how there would be absorption of carbon dioxide?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Look, the second very important question I have with you. Look, flash floods are generally associated with what? Dry areas like Rajasthan, from you belong, and the mountainous area. What are the specific factors responsible for occurrence of flash floods, right, in these two areas across the world or across India?
Sir, there can be many reasons, but what I can recall right now is the drainage system of that area.
No. This is related to formation of nimbocumulus cloud.
Okay, sir.
So why the nimbocumulus clouds are going to form in dry area, right, and the mountainous area?
Sir, in dry area, the formation of nimbocumulus cloud is because of the convection activities related to the high temperature of that area that led to the formation of those anvil shape.
But in spite of very high temperature in Thar, right, precipitation by southwest monsoon is negligible.
Yes, sir.
Whenever happens, that happens like flash flood. So what is the specific cause behind what sudden formation of nimbocumulus cloud?
Sir, it is related to high evaporational activities due to high
There is
temperature.
no
sir.
source of evaporational activities there. That is complete dry one. Okay, look, desertification is a very important factor in Rajasthan, right?
Yes, sir.
What recommendation has been done in COP14, which is recently concluded in India in the name of Delhi Declaration, going to stop desertification in Rajasthan in particular?
Sir, in particular, with respect to Rajasthan, green wall is proposed from which will pass through Rajasthan, which is from Porbandar to Panipat, so that the desertification can be coped with.
Look, there is a what boundary dispute. You have to read boundary disputes, right? One of the boundary dispute is called Feni River boundary disputes. Where is Feni River boundary dispute?
Sorry.
Look, there is another dispute, boundary dispute, right? And the dispute in general, that is Kishan-Ganga dispute, Tulbul disputes. That is in between India and Pakistan, right? What is the basis of disputes, Kishan-Ganga disputes and Tulbul disputes? Basis, as per Indus Water Treaty of 1960.
Sir, that might be related to the sharing of water of the eastern and western rivers.
There is no eastern and western river, there is northern and southern river.
Northern and southern river. As Kishan Ganga is tributary of Jhelum, those Chenab, Jhelum and Indus belongs to Pakistan, but we have some
Okay,
rights.
thank you.
Rahul,
Yes, sir.
tell me what was the role of royal charters in the development of administration of justice in India in British time?
Royal Charter, sir, I am not able to.
Role of royal charters in the development of administration of justice in British India.
Sorry, sir.
Royal charters, you don't understand this royal charter?
Sir, I am aware of Charter Act of 19.
Yeah,
1873.
I'm telling the same thing.
Okay, sir.
What is Charter Act of 1833?
1833.
Unique feature of Charter Act of 1833, which you find?
Sir, Charter Act of 1833 abolishes the monopoly of East India Company completely and allows the other companies to trade with India. And also, this Charter Act of 1833 focuses on education also.
What was the changes made in civil services? Changes made in the civil service?
Sir, I have to revise all these things.
Okay. We find Gandhi ji in a uniquely militant mood in 1942. How can you make me this understand? How Gandhi ji was seen in a uniquely militant mood?
Sir, it can be seen because of the during Quit India movement, when that Quit India movement was started to be violent, then it is said that Gandhiji doesn't try to stop that violence, because at that time he said that this is because of the barbaric act of the British ruler that people are responding
But
to
Gandhi in 1940s, Gandhi was different from the Gandhis of 1920s. Don't you think so? Gandhi ji of 1920s was different from Gandhiji of 1940s.
Sir, I think his basic fundamentals on which he was, that was not different, but the method to execute them might have been different in 1920s.
That is what I'm asking you. What is the method? That why he was seen in a militant mood? What different he was doing in 1940s, which he did not do in 1920s? Okay, tell me what is the most important outcome of Karachi session of Indian National Congress 1931?
Sir, Karachi session of 1931, there was a resolution passed about fundamental rights.
Most important. Do you think that socialist ideals were invoked in the Karachi session of Indian National Congress 1931?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about it.
Okay. Suppose, for example, you qualify this exam, you are posted as district magistrate, and your super senior wants his daughter to marry you, and even you are unmarried that time. So what will be your take? If in case if you say no, you will have a strained relationship with him, might be. And if you say yes, it is all good.
Sir, I think decision of marriage is personal decision. It must be with consensus of both the persons. So if any pressure of senior is letting to this marriage, then
But he will not generate a pressure.
sir, then we can consider after meeting of families and what they are going to decide in future about it.
Okay. My last question is, what is the cultural contribution of Rajasthan in India?
Sir, Rajasthan has diverse cultural contribution in India. For example, with respect to architecture, we have various forts in Rajasthan. With respect to cuisine, we have various contribution. Apart from that, there is a contribution of dances, music, and other things like Ghumar dance is from Rajasthan, and all these things.
Okay, Rahul, thank you.
Rahul, do you find the same name in ancient Indian history by your name?
Yes, sir. Rahul was the name of Buddha's son.
Okay, Buddha's son. What was the original name of the Buddha?
Siddhartha, sir.
Right. So there is a report called Women, Business and Law 2020. So where 190 economies have been taken into account. So there have been various parameters or indicators, 8 indicators in precise. So can you name any 3 indicators which does take into account?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about this.
All right. Recently, NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal, has been in news. Why it was? What does it do? It's a basic function.
Sir, its basic function is to deal with the appeals of the corporate law cases, and it was in news related to Tata Mistry case.
Yeah, number of the cases.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is Oslo Accord?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall this.
Oslo Accord that struck between Palestine and Israel somewhere, 1993. So recently, because of Palestine plan, which Mr. Trump has announced, they have threatened to withdraw from that Oslo Accord actually. Anyways, have you heard about the birth tourism?
Birth tourism?
Birth tourism.
Sorry, sir.
No. Have you heard about the Kalapani territory?
Yes, sir, Kalapani territory.
What is all about?
Sir, Kalapani territory refers to the territory during the colonial time where Britishers used to send their prisoners in Andaman and Nicobar Island.
All right, Kalapani territory is also one of the territory which is the part of the contention between the Nepal and India, which is located in Pithoragarh. Right. Because of some reason, India has withdrawn the MFN status from the Pakistan, most favored nation. What are the repercussions of this move posed by Indian government? The trade relations, how the trade relations will be impacted while withdrawing from the most favored nation status to the Pakistan.
Sir, most favored nation was unilateral given by India to Pakistan, but Pakistan has not given the same status to India. Its impact will be less related to us, but more related to the Pakistan.
Are there like any something beneficial positions, like which the both of the countries they may get enter into this, or like any trade relation that get hamper vis-a-vis to both of the countries? You wanted to say like the India would not get much of the like disaffected with this move. All right. There is 7-point action plan by the Human Rights Commission as per the United Nations report. Name any 3.
Sorry, sir.
There is a global social mobility report by World Economic Forum.
Sorry, sir.
All right, Rahul.
Rahul. So your education has been largely in Rajasthan and Haryana,
Yes, ma'am.
true?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are both considered to be patriarchal societies. Have they succeeded in making you a part of that patriarchal society?
Ma'am, I don't think so that that patriarchal society influence has been much affected me.
It hasn't affected you.
Much.
How will you convince me that it hasn't made you a part of that society and you are gender sensitive? Convince me.
Ma'am, for example, if I see in my family, I have one sister and one brother. If I see the treatment of my sister and my brother as far as my parents is considered, then I don't think so that there is any patriarchal treatment.
That is
with
your
respect to-
parents' treatment. I'm talking about your behavior and your treatment.
Ma'am, I have also not treated anyone on the basis of their sex or gender, as far as what I can recall.
Okay. So I was talking to you about gold prices and gold as an asset. Recently, what we've seen is that because of the coronavirus, the prices of oil have gone down, but the prices of gold have gone up. Can you tell me the reason?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not able to relate it.
Acha, are you able to relate reason why the oil prices have gone down because of coronavirus?
Ma'am, it might be related to the disruption in the supply chain of the world because of the effect of China on coronavirus.
Is China a provider of oil?
Ma'am, but it's a buyer of oil because of the demand from China has been reduced. That's why the prices of crude oil has been decreased.
Okay. Right. And your DAF mentions that you like to listen to TED Talks. What is the full form of TED in TED Talks?
Ma'am, TED stand for Technology, Engineering and Design.
Engineering,
Entertainment and Design, sorry.
entertainment and design. Right. And what is the difference between TED and TED Talk, TEDx?
Ma'am, TED is a global platform, whereas TEDx is a local platform, where X stand for the extended version of TED, which are organized locally by the people.
Organized locally by the people. Right. Can you tell me why electronics sector in India has not developed very well, given that we are the second largest, if not the largest consumer of mobile phones?
Ma'am, there can be many reasons. First, that we have low R&D in electronic sector. Second problem is the reverse duty structure, which is in the electronic sector, which affect the manufacturing of electronics in India. And apart from that, there is less investment of foreign entities in this sector in India.
In this sector in India, right? Has there been any recent policy initiative with regards to electronic sector in India?
Yes, ma'am. In a recent budget, Finance Minister has announced that they will boost the manufacturing of mobile and electronics industries in our country.
Okay. My last question to you. What is the difference between GSM and CDMA?
Ma'am, GSM and CDMA are two different mobile technology where these two differs in the multiplexing, means how they are multiplexing the signals. In GSMA, where there is a frequency or time slot which is allotted to a particular user, in CDMA there are orthogonal codes on basis of which the communication between a different user is taking place.
Okay, and which is the more dominant form being used?
Ma'am, if we see that in global scenario or in Indian scenario also, GSM is more dominated than CDMA.
Okay, and where is CDMA being used?
Ma'am, recently CDMA is dominating in US and some part of the Asian country, for example, South Korea.
Okay, thank you.
Rahul, you have presented paper on piezoelectricity. What kind of electricity is this piezoelectricity?
Sir, piezoelectricity is a type of electricity which is produced by some kind of materials in which when we apply pressure, they generate voltage.
Which material?
These are some material like, sir, quartz, in which there is a lack of center symmetry. In those material, there is this property that they generate voltage in response to some pressure.
Okay. China is using a huge size of machines to reduce pollution in air. What the machine is called?
Sorry, sir.
Can we also design such machines in our country?
Yes, sir. Definitely, we can design. And recently, smoke tower has been placed in Delhi, which is one of such example.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul. Nice talking to you. Your interview is over. You may go now. Have your seat, Rahul. What is your feeling? How was the performance?
Sir, not up to the mark.
Not up to the mark. Is this your first interview experience with UPSC?
Yes, sir. I'm doing first time interview.
Okay. See, you're a good candidate, but you look frightened.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Modi is a very brave person, and Mr. Rahul is also a very brave person. Now you have virtues of both the personalities, Rahul, Modi. You should be brave square.
Yes, sir.
Why do you look so subdued?
Sir, I think I have to work more on current affair part.
No. See, the fundamental principle, this is not knowledge test, personality test. So don't come under pressure if you are not able to answer a particular question, content wise. Content is not important.
Yes.
If you know the content, you can express or convey the element of personality through that knowledge.
Yes, sir.
But this is not the only medium through which you can convey that. Even if you don't have knowledge, still you can convey what you want to. How you convey is important.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, sir. I've forgotten, sir. I'll go and see, sir.
Sir, but it was continuously like, no, sorry, sir, sorry.
So this is why I'm suggesting you several different ways, so that you don't need to repeatedly say sorry. Don't take that knowledge part seriously. That is building psychological pressure on you, and so you kept succumbing to pressure.
Yes.
Because this is not knowledge test. Your knowledge has been tested in preliminary examination, mains examination. Both objective knowledge and analytical and subjective knowledge, both has been tested. UPSC has clearly said in their instruction that this is a test of personality, mental alertness, critical power of assimilation, a balance of judgment. All these attributes they are going to see in you, and that you can show by not delivering a content of answer, a style of answer.
Sir.
So feel comfortable, certain things. Ring, they'll anyways say that, okay, you come without ring inside the room.
Yes.
So hide it in the pocket. Kada. This should be not displayed because it is taken as indicator of your conservative mindset, which you may be, the Prime Minister may be, anybody can be, but don't display it. You have to improve your energy level. That improves when you feel normal.
Yes, sir.
I'm not suggesting you feel confident, but feel at ease at least.
Sir, you speak a bit louder also, because so many times I was not able to hear you.
Sir, Royal Charter Act is different from.
No, not mine, not
See,
mine. in
content
my
is
case.
not important. Take the things, what content is you are delivering is not important. The way you are delivering is important, or the way you request not to deliver, or the way you say that, okay, if somebody is offering you that, okay, please have a cup of tea, you don't feel like having it. Now, how you decline that cup of tea is the style is important. Okay, work on a style, watch your video carefully. Remove that opinion, that idea that you have to deliver content. You have to deliver the style of presentation. Your tie is not properly knot, it is loose, it should be tight.
Okay.
Your coat button should be open, that means it should be unbuttoned. Then it will look better as far as presentation is concerned. And feel at ease. On technology matter, you are very comfortable, you are able to convey the things. On 19th March, you've got almost 1 month time as far as information gap is concerned, that you can fill, because you know how to gather information, how to arrange it about Rajasthan, current affairs, etc. You are computer engineer, electronic and computer engineer, those things can be asked. You are geography student, contemporary geography related issues can be asked. But even if you don't answer, you can get better marks. People have got 200 plus marks by saying sorry 13 times in a row.
Yes, sir.
You need to simply know that. Okay, so be at ease, be with yourself, deliver whatever you feel like in a positive manner, polite manner, with a positive delivery or refusal. That will be, I think, help you a lot. Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.